It's a song for a beautiful day like this one right here. A song from the mountains of Colorado, all the way to the mountains of Santa Cruz. Where did the time go by? Seems we were just starting out, deep as a clear blue sky. Then it came pouring down from the heavens, lost from above, here in these mountains to be part of. Far from the city, just far enough, hoping the music will fall from above. Trading true stories we just figured out, reconsider what they're about. Watching the river, the moon through the clouds, live within music, can't live without. These tumbling choruses of rain keep washing over us again and again. Accompanies the flame, lights the ground beneath us, and echoes to the plain. Days passed, the winds blew along, turned around, but then you were gone. After a waltz, 100 love songs, flower in the field stands alone, calling down angels in front of the lights. It's hard to know that it all feels right, finding a rhythm, forgetting the lines. Happens to me almost all the time. Pray to the mountains, play to the sky, saving it up for another try. Lost in the changes, lost in the crowd, watching this village become a town. These tumbling choruses of rain keep washing over us again and again. Thunder accompanies the flame, lights the ground between us, but never twice the same. Where did the time go by? Seems we were just starting out, deep as a clear blue sky. Then it came pouring down from the heavens, lost from above, living the changes we're dreaming of. Far from the city, just far enough, hoping the music fall from above.
thank you to the Harley Davidson chorus singers.
I like that. Some background vocals.